photography has a process was a surprise. LinkedIn we'll use for all our business communication, media houses like Economic Times, CNN, and so I wanted to get a headshot done. I've never done something like that. This was absolutely my first experience. Got reference of Kushalji from Google. The first call was very, very approachable, friendly. I never thought that I'm talking to him for the first time. Now I think my comfort level started right from there, and he assured me, he told me the entire process that they are following. Photography has a process was a surprise. I mean, everybody is doing photographs today, but photography has a process that they follow came as a very good surprise. But I think what changed everything for me for the first call, it was a very approachable conversation. He told me how they will approach everything. Second thing that stood out for me was WhatsApp communication. Very crisp, very clear. We finalized on the day of shoot, time of shoot. On the day of the shoot, I got messages from morning guiding me how I have to do, what I have to do, where I have to park, what I should be eating. In fact, a day before the shoot, he asked me to send some photographs of dresses that I'll be wearing so that he can nudge me in the right direction. Now, for somebody like me who's doing this for the first time and is camera conscious, this put my mind right at ease, And the moment you walk into their studio, it is cozy, comfortable. I would have used this word for the 10th time, but they genuinely are very approachable. They are approachable, So I think that made a lot of difference. The selection process is actually a process. They just don't sit and gap. They tell you what to do, what not to do. All the observations during my shoot came across very strongly during the selection process. So they definitely know what they are doing. Very strongly and highly recommended, especially if you're doing this for the first time as a business leader. You're talking to the right people. They know they know how to get the best out of you. So yes. So we'll predominantly use it on LinkedIn. We'll use for all our business communication. We'll use it on various media houses like Economic Times, CNN, and things like that.